So we're just gonna do a video of what we did. So we also went, me and Christian right here, we went to Six Flags. And we're gonna talk about that. The first day we went is we went there and we changed to go out to eat.
Oh yeah, well she got a letter from Tanisha talking about it, and I'll go bring it right now.
So yeah, and we went there, and then on the second day we went to Six Flags, and somebody's mom was following us, which is kind of weird because she brought her boyfriend along. So yeah,
that was my mom.
And also I got a letter from Tanisha. She sent me a picture. So I'm gonna be sending her a letter. It said, this is the letter right here.
I hope you watch it.
That I sent to her. It says, Dear Tanisha, I am doing very good. On July 1st, I went to the beach here in the valley. It is called South Padre Island, and I stayed there until July 4th. How was your 4th of July? I also went to Six Flags to San Antonio for 3 days and the water park. It was amazing. I really miss you and your mom. You can call me whenever, Tanisha. My number is 254. Well, I'm not gonna put it out. But that's my number. Well, that's it. Awesome. Taking care of a crab. I had 2 crabs before, and they were getting big real fast. Here's some advice. Never let the crab sleep on your finger, because it might look like it's sleeping, but really it's using the restroom. The president had wrote to me, and that was very fascinating. I am very lucky. P.S. You're awesome. So that's my video. That's
yours forever. That's what
because she lives like far away, so I sent you that letter. So Eric, do you have any fascinating stories?
Not really, no.
Not about going fishing or something?
Oh yeah, there was this, I just casted my line while I was reeling it in. It was just right in the shallows. And then all of a sudden this bass got really pissed. I just jumped up and grabbed it.
Fascinating.
I saw that.
Okay, and also, I also got a letter from President Obama, and also, here's my very unusual picture that I normally don't use so much because that was my
and if you don't believe her about Barack Obama writing,
here, no, don't take it off, Eric, or if you can. Yes, there we go. President Obama.
An official picture of President Obama.
And a letter from President Obama. Which is pretty cool.
She also got a snow globe.
There's the letter and his signature. And also I got a snow globe for Easter, which Easter passed like almost a couple months ago. So yeah.
I got 2.
And I really hope you guys liked this video because we just did this random video of random stuff. It's 5:59. It's 6 o'clock already. And also,
check out our Katy Perry one.
J. Julian El Saddam is watching this.
Oh yeah, don't be following us.
They stink.
Like seriously.
They're horrible and they stink like stanky.